the Gettysburg Hotel. We're in downtown Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Go in and check it out. Look, it says 1797. Press the button to open automatically. Press this button. Yes. Okay. There we go. My God. Oh, it's cold. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Okay. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Going down. It's an Otis. 3.
3? 3?
Going to 3. Oh, your cheeks are nice and rosy. Oh, we went to B. Somehow we went to B. This is the basement. No, we're not getting out here.
That's cool.
It went to B for some reason.
It might be just a random floor.
Just random.
I think B is 3.
1.
B just...
Oh, back to 1. We're trying to go to 3.
Actually, it just... Oh, these people.
Yeah, they're getting on. They're coming up to 3 for us.
My pleasure, sir.
Good evening.
They're going to the...
They're going to 6.
6.
6.
No,
I don't know what.
Oh, sorry,
Alright.
we're too quick. Go ahead.
That's
Go
okay.
ahead. You can catch it. We don't have to wait that long.
There you go. Going up.
Push the button again. Yep.
Don't press more buttons. No.
What are you guys doing here?
We're making a video for YouTube right now.
Oh, we're going skiing.
That's fun.
What's your YouTube channel?
Drake likes weird things.
Drake likes weird things.
Yep.
Parker, this is 4-3.
Huh?
I was holding the door open,
You
so...
fool.
Oh, yeah.
So...
Back,
There you go. Rode it up to the top.
If I had a coin, I could show you a magic trick.
You got a magic trick?
I know I don't have any coins right now, but if I had one, I could
Oh.
have. See ya.
Good night. That guy does magic.
Everyone knows magic trick.
All right, now going down to 1.
What?
Here, wait. 2. And then we'll send it down to 1 and try to get the other elevator. We'll send it down to 1. All right, come on, buddy. Let's try to get the other elevator.
Because what? Because what?
Because we didn't see that one. Oh, it's on a timer. It's a, gotta wait. I gotta wait.
I want a timer for what? I want a timer for what?
It doesn't go right away.
Who's on the timer?
Here, listen. All right, I hear it going. Now, we'll try again. Rooms this way. Rooms this way. Press down again. There we go. We did get this one. One. Here we are. 1. All right, come on, little one. This way. Come here. Here's a women's.
Okay. Oh, men's?
Yeah, I see the men's. Looks pretty nice. Nice and big. We're hoping for old ones. It's the old hotel, but these are modern. They smell good. They got a scent thing on them. Hey, you got a potty on it?
Yeah,
Okay, go ahead. You can pee.
Not here.
No problem.
A toilet case.
Yeah, that one doesn't have very good lighting, but the other two did. And I got them already. Let's peek at the men's and see if anyone's on the men's.
Yeah, I'm gonna do Drake Camp.
Oh, you're gonna do Drake Cam? Is it automatic flush? Alright, let's do Drake Cam. Alright, be very careful. This is Dad's phone.
That's one?
I'll get the door for you. Here, hold on. You paying attention?
Yeah.
By the way. Okay.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
Alright, no pressure.
Drake Camp. Are you gonna put the Drake Camp thing on there?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah.
Alright, let me get a picture of you flushing it. Go ahead. You flush it now. Now you can reach them. Go ahead, you're getting so tall. Flush it. This one has better lighting. All right, come on, mister.
Mom, do you know I'm walking?
Yeah?
Do you know I'm walking?
Yeah, you're running. Running.
You think I'm running?
Ballroom. Restaurant and bar. This way. Let's go.
I'm right on this.
No. Come on.
But I'm right on.
No, come on. Let's go. Restaurant and bar. This way. Come on, Dad. More restrooms this way.
This is the ballroom.
We saw the elevator and the restrooms. That's the restaurant right there. There's a Starbucks.
This is the ballroom.
Oh, here's more elevators, Drake. Look.
Hey, look at this old,
It's an old city. They modernized everything. Going up.
A Schindler.
What's a Schindler?
This is a Schindler.
The other one. Oh, it was a Schindler.
right.
Oh, look at this is actually the service.
This is the service elevator?
Yeah,
You think the other door will go?
yeah, because it's on.
2R. Oh my goodness, stop shaking the whole elevator, mister.
Yes, it's too long. Look. 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 Vending.
A vending machine. This part of the hotel looks a little older.
Mm-hmm.
This is the old part of the hotel.
Yeah, the other part looked newer. So,
This is the old part. We still got the old hotel open.
yeah.
Still got the old hotel open. We still got the old hotel open.
That's funny. We just went to 2, but the rooms are 700 something. Found another elevator. Oh, look, this one looks older.
This one looks even
Is that a
older.
button?
Yeah. It just says down.
Because this elevator goes down.
All right.
This is where sweets are.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. We found the old elevator. Look at it, Dad.
Dad,
It's a
Can you lift me
Westinghouse.
Look at the.
can you lift me up? Can you lift me up, Dad?
He needs to be lifted up.
Oh, okay. Oh, look in there. What's in there? Oh,
Press
that's
1.
in. Oh, push 1.
Oh, my goodness.
Westinghouse. Pretty
But then
cool.
let's look in this little hole. What's going on in here? It's the fan, the light.
Has A spot's for more things. Mom, turn the light
So
Whoa. Restrooms this way.
This is the
That's-
old hotel.
Yeah, this is the old part.
That's an old hotel.
Yeah,
off. It's fine.
that's a nice
let's
find.
check out the
Wait,
old lobby.
this is the old part, yeah.
Let's check out the whole.
And it said more restrooms this way.
So, let's
Oh,
check
it's
out the old
dark.
Oh.
Here's they look modern, but we'll try. No, I think they're new. Huh.
New.
It's pretty dark in here. I don't know we'll be able to see the toilets very well. Kohler's. It's pretty dark. Just a okay flash. Let's see. Men's. It's dark in there.
It's a little dark.
Okay.
Upstairs toilet. In the women, I saw so many of Mimi's upstairs toilets.
Oh yeah? What kind
Yeah.
was it?
They were Mimi's upstairs toilets.
It's a little dark in here. Poop. Gross. Someone's in that one.
No, it's not. So it's not it.
In the last one. Oh, it's gross. Alright.
Ew.
They're not special. Alright, let's go. Go on, drinker. I'm going.
Look at this ballroom.
Can turn the lights on.
So we could cut through.
Cut through. Alright, Drake, cut through.
The kitchen.
Let's see the old lobby.
Maybe.
See the old
Oh, look at this vault. Oh, it's a shame we can't turn the lights on. Look at this.
This one. Oh.
Osler safe. Oh, she turned the.
Oh.
Hey, look, you can have dinner in there.
So cool.
That's pretty cool.
Get locked in there. Locked.
Locked. All right.
You see the old lobby. See the old lobby.
Yeah. Drake, wait. Let's peek at this one. Might have to do some cutting on this.
Mm-hmm.
Looks the same, but we'll check. Oh no. Clogged. Kohler. With a regular flush. Alright, come back to the lobby. Come on, buddy. Ben? Just the same? It's all the same. All modernized. Disappointing. Because it's a 1700s building.
Lobby.
Alright. Come here, buddy. Look at Mom.
Bye bye YouTube. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. And say bye bye. and subscribe to my channel.